Greetings, people of Earth. I'm Rick Harold. Thanks again for listening to the video and podcasts. I've talked recently in our teaser video about our crowdfunding campaign and in some of the other videos about having 1 billion machines with products on it that I created. That's true. My partner, Varush Bhatia, and I created a company called InstallShield, which was an installer product and still exists today under the Flexera name. And it was used by over 400,000 or so ISV, software developers. They, in turn, would distribute our product out to all the machines, and effectively, because we had 90% of the market, it would end up on all Windows machines initially, and eventually on other platforms as well, including Linux, and lots of servers. So effectively, our product was on all these machines, and still is. And it's in different forms today, but that took a lot of effort, and there was a lot of steps to get to that process. Initially, when we started the product, people around us were like, why are you doing this? Microsoft already has an installer. But at the time, perhaps a little bit naive, we thought, well, but their installer's awful. There's no tooling around it. So we decided to move ahead with it because we heard customers actually asking for our installer product as we had created it. And we kept moving forward. And eventually, Microsoft, because they had to focus someplace else, they decided to come to us and ask for a limited version of the product. So in addition to our product and all of our customers using InstallShield, Microsoft was using a limited version of it for quite a while. I'll say 7 years or something like that. And installer products and products in general take a long time to be out of a life cycle in terms of being used. So a lot of the stuff is the same today as it was even 10 years ago. So the product was on all the was and is on all these machines. And for us, it was a challenge because having your product having to run and represent these other companies on billions of machines and hundreds of millions or tens of millions of combinations of software and hardware takes a lot of effort in terms of testing and making sure that it's working. And that was where a lot of the effort was. And for our customers too, because we had to work very closely with them. And it took a lot of time and it took a lot of testing scenarios. And this was done in an era where you didn't have cloud computing at the time. So you had to physically have machines set up to do this. So our product is and was on 1 billion machines. And it's something that we're really proud of. And it's something that at the time, you couldn't really say that about a lot of other products. Our product at one time was the 6th most run application on Windows. And this is pre-Facebook and Twitter and really early Google. So to have 1 billion uses of your product is actually quite amazing. So we're very proud of that. And that's where the 1 billion thing comes from. So thanks for watching and catch you later.